Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the Fifa Labubu. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start off in the center and let's draw the nose. Let's start with a small bump and a V-shaped point underneath. Now let's hop to the sides and draw the eyes. Let's start with two curves up and out. Then underneath, let's draw a large curve down and back up. Now inside each of the eyes, let's draw a large oval on the right side. And then another smaller one inside on the top right corner. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's hop underneath and draw the mouth. Let's start on the right next to the eye and let's draw a curve down, bring it across and up to the other side. Then underneath for the teeth, let's start in the center and let's draw two V-shaped points. And then work our way out on each side. And that's it for the face. Now let's hop out and draw the shape of the head. Let's start on each side and let's draw a curve down and in. And then a curve across the bottom. Now for the top of the head, let's draw a larger curve up and across. Now that we have the shape of the head, let's move in and let's draw a V-shaped point down in the center. And let's work our way out with a zigzag line. Then a few more going downwards. And then a curve down to the bottom on each side. Now lastly for the head here, let's hop to the top and draw the ears. Let's draw two large curves up and back down. And let's do the same thing inside each one. Now inside, let's draw two curves up from the bottom, meeting at a point at the top. And that's it for the head. Now let's hop underneath and draw the body. Let's start underneath the head and let's draw a small curve down in the center. And then another one under this one. Now on the left side, we're going to draw the trophy. We'll start by drawing a curve up to the face and around, leaving it open at the bottom. Now in the center, let's draw a curve up and back down. And then a bump over to the right side. And then on the left, let's step up and let's draw a curve across. Now from each end, let's draw a curve down and in. Now from the right, let's draw a bump down and a small curve down on the left. Now underneath on the left here, let's draw the hand by drawing 3 bumps. A bump up at the top. Then let's bring it down and over to close off the hand. Now let's finish off the base of the trophy by drawing 2 angles down and out. And a curve at the bottom. Now inside the trophy, let's add 1 more bump up in the middle. And then at the bottom, let's draw 2 curves to add a stripe. And 2 more on top. And that's it for the trophy. Now let's finish drawing the t-shirt. On top of the trophy, let's draw a small line down and continue it underneath. Then let's hop to the right and let's draw the other side of the shirt with an angle down. And close it off at the bottom with a curve across. Now on the right, let's add the sleeve by drawing a line down from the head and bring it back in. Now let's add the right arm and hand. Let's start with 2 lines out. And a zigzag line across. Now for the hand, let's start on top and let's draw a curve over and around. And the same thing up from the bottom. Now let's add 2 fingers at the end with 2 bumps. And that's it for the right hand. Now let's hop inside the t-shirt, and on top of the trophy, let's add a bump up. And bring it out to the right and back in. And then inside, let's add another bump up. Now underneath, let's add a curve down, back in, and 1 more curve underneath. And that's it for the upper body. Now let's move underneath and draw the shorts. Underneath the t-shirt on each side, let's draw an angle down. Then let's curve it into the center, leaving a small gap in the middle. Then let's add 2 lines up and a line across. Now inside each side of the shorts, let's add a line at the bottom. And then 2 lines down, like this. Lastly, inside on the left, let's draw the number 10. Let's draw a rectangle for the number 1 here. And the 0 with 2 circles. Now top underneath each leg and let's draw 2 lines down. And a line across. Now for the shoes, let's draw 2 angles down underneath. And a line across inside. Next, let's draw a line down on the inside. And a curve down for the front of the shoes. And then close off the bottom of each foot. Now let's hop in and let's draw the pattern on the shoes. Let's start with 2 angled lines down. And 2 more next to it. Then let's hop over and let's draw 2 rectangles down from the top of the shoe here. Lastly, underneath each foot, let's draw some small squares down. And that's it for the Fifa Labubu. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!